I'm on ready, steady, cook with my pals, Mum.
Just come home and pass me the remote.
No, brother wee.
Well, I'm planning on making a grand surprise meal. It's going to have steak bakes, a salad roll, a chip, a budsy. I can't even believe that I stole it, the money grabbers. But my grandma's on at the studio there. You ought to say I grip my tits like I've never gripped them before. Here's my teammate, Jordan Fatboy Chutney.
Hi! It's me, Jordan Fatboy Chutney in along today. I've brought 12 litres of steaks, 1 cow, 1 pig, 1 sheep, and anything else I can find in my back cupboard.
In my life, in my soul, by my side, in my love, you are my destination. Help me, you in the sky, in the night, fly away, come to light. You listen my vibrations, my sensations, and I remember you and me in the sunshine, into more and more inside me. Fly away and away for play again together. Fly away and away, see again today and forever. Fly away and away for play again together. Fly away and away, see again today and forever.
Hi and welcome to Top Gear on BBC 2 at 11 o'clock, cause only old people watch this. I'm Jeremy Clarkston and today we have the world famous used 70-year-old Volvo S70. This is Richie's Volvo. As you can see, it's not currently in top notch. Tape on the bumpers, tape on the back, reclining chairs on the front. Has this car been done up? No, Richie has sat on it. The suspension is currently done and done for and done over. And now we speak to the owner of the car, Richie Fatpacks Anderson.
I've had the car for a few years now, but Yana Vici Fatboy broke my chair. Reclining now, but it's a bit fucked. Noggin! She's running away with the Volvo gear!
Done and done for and done over.
Yana Vici Fatboy broke my chair. Reclining now,